Hey folks, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the brand new features on Autosnipe. If you don't already know, Autosnipe one of the best Solana meme coin trading platforms in the game right now, and they've got a couple of brand new features which we're going to be checking out today. As always, if you do like what you see and you want to sign up to Autosnipe, my link will be in the description or the pinned comment down below. That'll get you 10% off your trading fees for life. So quick recap for those of you that don't know, Autosnipe is a platform for trading Solana meme coins that offers a lot of unique features, like Trader Lens, which lets you track the recent trading performance of any Solana wallet, AI snipers, which let you automatically snipe new tokens based on your own custom filters. They also offer, in my opinion at least, the best web interface I've seen for copy trading. And on top of that, they have their own unique filters specifically designed to help you filter out scams and rug pulls. If you do want to learn about any of these features in more detail, go ahead and check out my updated full tutorial that I did last week. I'll link that at the end of this video. For now though, let's get into the new features. So if we go into a chart for a second here, our first new feature is limit orders. If you don't know what a limit order is, basically in trading normally you have two types of orders, a market order and a limit order. With a market order, all you do is put in the amount you want to buy, set up a stop loss if you want one, adjust your gas fees. Quick side note on that, Autosnipe does have these AI optimized and AI bullet gas fees, which I highly recommend using. I personally choose the AI bullet setting. That'll get your transactions through with the best gas fees and lowest slippage possible. Anyway, once you've done that, just click buy and it will immediately buy your chosen amount at the current market price. With a limit order, what you do is you put in the amount you want to buy, and then here you can choose whether you want to buy at a specific market cap, a price in SOL, or a price in USD. You can see the price of this token is currently about 10 cents. If we wanted to buy when this token dips down to 7 cents, we would just put in 0.07 here. Again, set up your stop loss and gas fees. Then just click buy and that will set up a limit order to automatically buy our chosen amount at the specific price that we want. Same goes for selling a token. Just enter the percentage of your holding that you want to sell, set the market cap or price that you want to sell it at, do all this stuff here and then click sell, and that will automatically sell the amount you want at your desired price. As well as limit orders, they've also added a trailing stop loss feature. What this does is it automatically moves your stop loss higher as the price of the token increases. Say you set this at 20% and the price of the token goes down 20%, then your stop loss would activate and you would sell the token as usual. But if the price of the token were to go up 60%, then your stop loss would also move up with it. So then that would mean if the price drops by 20% again, your stop loss would activate and you would lock in a 40% profit. I hope I've explained that well enough. It sounds more complicated than it actually is. If you ever need a reminder, you can just hover over this little information icon here and it'll explain a trailing stop loss to you. This is a great feature to have because a lot of the time, especially with meme coins, if you get a massive green candle, it's impossible to predict when it's going to stop going up. And a lot of the time when you set a specific take profit target, you actually end up missing out on a lot of potential profit. So by having a trailing stop loss instead, you're potentially catching a much bigger gain whilst knowing that if the price does retrace, then you're still locking in a good profit. Anyway, moving on from that, we also have a lot of new pairs supported. Meme Vision, which is basically Autosnipe's version of the Pump Fun interface, now supports Raydium Launch Lab, Believe, and Dynamic Bonding Curve pairs. Along with that, they also support ICM pairs. I'm going to be totally honest with you, I don't know what that means, but if you do, then that's great, you can do that. Anyway, the final new feature I want to cover is you can now export the private key of your Autosnipe wallet. But now, if you're setting up a new wallet on Autosnipe, you will get the option to export your private key. So you can then import your Autosnipe wallet into any other wallet app like Phantom or Solflare and have full control over your holdings without relying on Autosnipe. If you do have any features you'd like to see on Autosnipe in the future, feel free to join my Telegram and let me know, or just drop a comment here on YouTube. That's all for now, folks. Again, if you're not already signed up to Autosnipe, my link will be in the description or the pinned comment down below for 10% off your trading fees. If you want to know more about Autosnipe, you can check out some of these videos on the side here. For now though, I've been me, you've been you. Thanks for watching and see you later.